With the help of my family, we started making air conditioners 40 years ago out of my garage in the Hills District. But we couldn't have done this without the dedicated effort of all our staff and the loyalty of our contractors and customers.
It's been incredible watching ActronAir grow over the last 40 years. We're always trying to look for the most innovative ideas and give our customers an advantage, a product that someone else doesn't have, or do something better than our competitors.
Congratulations to the team at ActronAir on your 40th year anniversary.
On behalf of the club, we want to thank you for your continued support. Here's to another 40 years. Go the Eels.
I just wanted to congratulate you all on your 40th anniversary. It's been a great honour and privilege to represent your brand for so many years.
Happy 40th, ActronAir!
40 years of innovation! 40 years of service and support!
Happy 40th, ActronAir!
Happy 40th!